Ayan, it's been a while. So, nag-walking muna kami ni My Labs. And yung anak ko, and galing sa work. Kadating lang.
Kakagaling?
Basta.
Akala ko nasaan ka na, tagal mo. May pagkain lang sa table.
And so, walking muna kami. After work. So, it's a busy week ngayong week na to since yung teammate ko is 2 days silang holiday. So, of course, when they're on holiday, so yung load nila mapupunta sa akin. So, anyway, may mga leaves naman ako previously, so bawi-bawi lang. And yun, si My Loves din, no? Good news. Kasi it's been weeks na medyo na overstretch siguro yung muscles niya after namin mag-badminton. But the good news is, after 2 physiotherapy sessions, she's all good. So, before kasi medyo naawa na tayo, no? Kasi nag-struggle siya dun sa pain. So, nakaka-move naman siya. She can do her routine, pero affected yung movement niya. So, good thing ngayon. And she's doing better. So, after 2 sessions. So, yun nga lang, we had to shell out kasi medyo mahal yung physiotherapy dito. So, yan ang concern dito sa sa Australia, no? So, although there's a Medicare, pero anything related to teeth, eyes, mahal yan dito. And yung normally naman, yung mga therapy sessions, covered lang nila up to 5 sessions in a year. So imagine, no? So if it's just a simple therapy, let's say after 5 sessions, kung okay ka na, so that's all good. Pero you would imagine that there are some cases na it would need several sessions. So mahal ang anything about therapy or rehab. So you only get yung sa Medicare, yung covered ng government is up to 5 sessions lang. Hindi lang ako aware dun sa mga my personal insurance kung ano yung magiging coverage. So guys, no, yung mga nandito sa Australia and you have yung private health insurance, so comment down below kung ano yung covered in terms of rehab. Kasi yun yung experience lang namin is if it's Medicare, up to 5 sessions annual lang. And then typically, if you're going to shoulder yung rehab sessions, nagre-range siya between 100 to 120 Australian dollars per session. So imagine kung medyo matatagalan yung sessions na kailangan nyo. So you have to shell out up to 120 Australian dollars per session. But yun, it is what it is. You cannot have everything. So, yun naman ang dito, ang magiging challenge. So, kung meron kayong mga rehab, if you would need rehab sessions, so not all are free here in Australia. Malapit na mag-spring, tumutubo na yung mga flowers. Pero actually, malamig pa rin, no? So, right now, it's about 5 p.m. So, 18 to 19 degrees. Baguio weather. Sarap siyang walking lang. So ito yung neighborhood namin. So, yan. It's been a long while na naglakad-lakad kami ni My Loves. Which is a bad thing. Pero at least naman, even hindi kami nakapag-walk, may mga activities naman kami on a weekend. So nag-add kami ng another activity with family. So we make it a point na either mag-table tennis or mag-badminton. So yung badminton, yung table tennis, medyo hindi nila type. So ako na lang naglalaro pag every Saturday. And then, but yung badminton, nagustuhan nila Bella and me, Tam. So yun, every weekend, nagba-badminton kami together. So good family bonding yun. And at the same time, ano na rin, kapag exercise na rin.